What is going on? Tochieke here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can start making money chatting with people online. You've been chatting with people on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Instagram, and other social media, but you are not paid for that. In this video, if you stay with me in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how you can earn nothing less than $50 per hour chatting with people online. There are basically two platforms I'm going to show you where you can make money chatting with people online. The first platform, they only accept citizens of some specific countries like United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. But however, that said, we are willing to consider application from other countries, but acceptance is not guaranteed. So the second platform I'm going to show you can be used no matter the part of country you are watching this video from. It is accepted worldwide, whether in Africa, Asia, America, Nigeria, Ghana, wherever part of the country you are. Just as you can see it here, all countries are well represented. No matter the country you are, you can start making money online chatting with people, just chatting with people. And at the end of this video, you might even stop using your WhatsApp, your Facebook, and other social medias, and now dedicate your time in chatting with people online and get paid. So if you basically look down, you see how much people are paying just for you to chat with them. This one is charging $10 per hour for you to chat with them. This one is charging $50. This one is charging $35 to $50. This one is charging $10 to $25. So basically, how much you charge just depends on the services you are providing, and it also depends on maybe how long you've been on this platform. You that is starting, you can start charging from $5 to $10. If you, as you keep increasing and progressing, you might start increasing your prices from $10, $15, $50. There are some people that are even charging $100, and I'm telling you, they are getting clients day by day. All right, the only thing you need to do on this platform is just to chat. However, you can add video call if you can do that. Higher services you offer, then the higher the higher money you charge. And I'm telling you, a whole lot of people are paying to do this. You can see some services you can offer: life coach, visual friend, virtual gamer, virtual girlfriend. All right, so how these things is work is that people pay to have your attention. People pay you to have your attention. They pay you dollars so they will get your attention for some hours, for some days, for some weeks. So if you dedicate yourself more, you are on your way of making a whole lot of money chatting with people online. So let's quickly go ahead. The first website on how you can make money chatting with people online. The first website, or rather the first website or social media that I'll be telling you is what? Flatbox.net. Flatbox.net. If you basically look at it, you see them telling you, ever wish you could get paid to chat? We pay you to chat. All right, now you see here they're telling you, set your own hours, work from the hour of your own home, get paid by check or PayPal. They pay you through check and paper. So it's basically very simple. If you look at their program, there are some requirements you need to possess for you to be able to join this particular platform. So if you look at their program, how much they are paying you, depending, their payment depends on how long you've been on the platform. If I've been in the platform from 0 to 3 months, they are paying you 10 cents per minute if you are only doing text chat. But if you are adding video call, they are paying you 40 cents per minute. If you have been in the platform from 3 to 6 months, they are paying you 12 cents per minute if you are doing only text, and they're also paying you 45 cents per minute if you are doing video chat. If you have been there 6 months and above, they are paying you 15 cents per minute if you are only there to chat, and if you're also including video call, they are paying you 50 cents per minute. Remember, this particular platform, they are paying you in minutes. Here you are not the one determining how much you will be paid. They are the one determining how much you will be paid, and they pay you in minutes, which basically means if you spend 4 hours a day chatting on this platform, you are going to make a whole lot of money. You are going to make a whole lot of money. So for you to join this platform, all you have to do is click on apply today, and you'll be taken to the sign up page where you will create your account. And You look at that, you just fill in your name, account type, you fill in your name, first name, last name, email, date of birth, address, and some other required documents. We also have to verify your account. As you can see, please fill the form below to get started. The information you provide on your application must match the information on your photo ID. You will need to provide government issued photo identification for approval. However, the only down part of this particular platform is that they do not accept every country. They only accept countries like United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia alone. However, they said you can give it a try and you might just be accepted, so you can just try your luck. All right, and there are some other requirements you have to possess. You must be 18 years of age. You must have an official state or government issue ID card, have access to a computer with a functioning webcam, be able to access the internet, have moderate typing skill, be fluent in English, have good conversation skill, and possess and unbeat engaging personality. So basically, this number thought have access to computer with a functioning webcam is just for verification. They need to verify that you are not a robot. So their own type of verification is a little bit higher because they are paying you a whole lot of money. Remember, they are paying you per minute of you chatting. So but however, is not accepted in every country. So let's go to the next platform that I'm going to show you that accept every country. But before that, I want you to do something for me. I want you to come here and click on this red button and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Also turn on the bell notification, click on the bell notification and select all, so that anytime I drop a new video you will be notified. I make a whole lot of interesting content teaching you how to make money online and also how to trade forex. If you're a forex trader, you can check my Telegram community and join it and be a part of this forex trading community where I share a whole lot of analysis teaching you how to make money online. Having that said, let's quickly dive to the next part of this tutorial, which is the platform that you can use to make money online simply by chatting with people. All right, so the next platform is what? FriendPC.com. Just go onto the browser and type FriendPC.com. all right, so that is it. Here you can basically see book a virtual friend. That is what we do in social media. In social media, I just chat with virtual friends, people you know and people you do not know. But here specifically, you are chatting with what? People you do not know. They pay you for your time and you just chat with them. There are services you can offer like life coaches, virtual friend, virtual gamer, and virtual girlfriend. Just like I did said in the introductory part of the video, you can basically see how much people are charging here. In this particular platform, you are the one adding money, you are the one billing yourself based on your what? On your own criteria and your portfolio. You choose the amount people will pay you per hour and you start making money. I'm telling you that I've gone making money. So for you to join this platform, all you have to do is very simple. All you have to do is just come here and click on register or click on sign in. Then it's going to bring you to this page. Then you click on here, register. If you come over to here to register, you can sign up either with your Facebook or using what? Or using your email. But however, we are not going to use Facebook because at the end of this video, you will even stop using your Facebook. They do not pay you. You spend much time here doing what? Chatting with people and you get paid for that. So you choose your username. You can choose anything here. Maybe I'll just choose Tochi. Okay, then you come over here, you put your email. Once you're done putting your email, you check this, then you check this one also. As simple as that, you then click on register and it's going to bring you to your dashboard where you will see other things you are going to do. As you can see, they say successfully registered. Check your email address for the password. They are going to send you your password in your email, so you log into your email and copy your password. However, the website is automatically going to log you into your profile, but your password, in case of next time you want to log in, will be on your email. You simply go there and copy that. So as you can basically see, this is your what? This is your dashboard and you've basically done nothing. If you come over here, you will see your earning. Your earning is still 0 because you've not started doing anything. You've not added any listing. All right, this is just your dashboard. And if you come to your withdrawal, which is basically where you can place your withdrawal in case you start making money, that is people start paying you to chat with them. This is where you can see all your withdrawals, because definitely as we are talking of making money online, we should talk of how you are going to withdraw. They pay you with paper also. So this is basically your withdrawal. As you can see, it's still 0 0. They said you have no withdrawal request. You've not made any money, so you can't also place what you cannot place withdrawal. So for people to start contacting you for services, you have to add listing. All right, you have to add listing, which if you basically come over here and click on my listing, you will see that you have no listing. Listing is where you specify the kind of service you want, the kind of service you offer, whether a virtual friend, a virtual girlfriend, a virtual gamer, and people will see that and chat you based on the price range you added here. So if you look at here, they said you have no listing yet. So for you to add listing, you come here and click on add listing, and it's going to take you to the page where you will add listing. So this is the next page for you to submit your listing. What you have to do now is click on here. They say select a service to offer, click to change listing type. Just click on it. If you tap on it now, you see the option they are giving you. What do you want to offer? A virtual gamer, a virtual girlfriend, a virtual friend, or a virtual coach, based on the one you want to offer. For me, I'll be going with what? Virtual friend. If I click on virtual friend, then every other options we do what? We open. So basically a virtual friend, you can see, just go ahead and fill this information. It's not that hard to fill. All right, but let me just put you through across it. You can see virtual friend service title. Let's go and see what other people are choosing. So if you look at some other people, their title, this one said giving you your voice back. This one is said virtual friend, life coach, call, text, video, chat, instant message. This one said rock this life, let's be friends. These are some title people choose. So with that, you just have a clue, an idea on what you are going to choose. So your title is basically dependent on what you are offering. So basically here you might just put your virtual friend service title, you might put a companion. So you might just put a companion. All right, then you come over here, price for your service, you just put your price. As you can see, they said do not add dollar. Do not add dollar, only it puts digits. So from here, based on your price range, you might even wish to put $50. All right, but however, I advise you start as low as $5 since you are still starting. Once the money start coming, you can start increasing increasing your prices. So that is it. Price per hour, which basically means people will pay you $5 per hour just to get your attention. So coming over to this particular one, price per day, some people might want to pay you for a whole day just to give them your attention, just to chat with them based on the services you're providing. So here you put the amount of money you are willing to accept for people for a whole day. For this particular one, you might do what? You might put $50. If people pay you $50 for a whole day just to chat alone, come on, that is good. You've been on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp for a whole day and you are not getting paid for that. But here, people can pay you as high as $50 just to do what? Just to chat with them. So you come here and select your country. Some people might wish to chat with people in their own geographical location. So if you are not in United States, you go ahead and select your country. So if you are in Nigeria, you just basically look for Nigeria. All countries are here. This platform, you can use it in all countries worldwide. Select your country, select your state, and then put in your city. Then you go ahead and upload your image, because people need to see your image to contact you. If you look at these people, they all have their image. They basically have their image. This one have 3 image, 6 image, 9 image, 16 image. With this alone, people will tend to know that you are not a robot and you are in for a business. If people see your picture and they like you, they will go ahead and pay you just to have your attention. Then here, enter this description of your virtual friend service, what you offer. You just make a description of services you provide. For me, I just copied some text on Google. I didn't even go across it, but if you want to do that, ensure you do what? Ensure you have the right description. I just copied something on Google just to show you how it is. So they say select what you are compatible talking about, what you can offer, what you can talk about. You just select based on what you can offer, right? Do not go and select what you cannot offer. But the higher you select, the higher rating people can afford to pay. All right, people need to check what they want you to discuss with them. All right, that's why they are paying you. They can pay you, maybe you discuss about divorce, you discuss about habits, you discuss about job, discuss about online business, and discuss about a whole lot of things. You can go ahead and select all of them, but ensure you just select what you can talk about. You cannot go ahead and select about music when you know nothing about music. You cannot go and select health when you know nothing about health. Just select the ones you can discuss with. After you are done doing that, so once you are done selecting the ones you can offer, then you scroll down here. If you scroll down here, as you can see, all the months are unlocked, which basically means people can chat you which basically means that within all this period, people can contact you to chat with you and they pay you. All right, so if you do not want to be contacted in a particular month, you can just go ahead and lock it. As you can see, I've locked the month of August, which basically means I am not free for service on the month of August, and within the whole month of August, your profile, or rather your listing, will not be showcased. All right, so I'll go ahead and unlock it. If there are some days you do not want to be charted for service, you can just go ahead and do what, and lock them up, which is basically here. Maybe you do not want to be chatted up on Saturdays. You can just go ahead and turn Saturdays off. With that, on Saturdays alone, your listing are not going to be showcased. As simple as that. But if you are in for a business, you want to be chatting with people daily, back to back, 24 hours per day, then you can go ahead and select all of them and you will be getting paid daily. All right, so now you just come here also and select the services you offer: texting, phone call, video call, and what, instant messaging. You can select the ones you want. His name wants to select all of them, but I will advise you to select all of them because that's the one that will give you more money. Once you are done doing that, you just click on what, save changes, and that's all. Then once you start making money, we start seeing your earning here. So that will be end of this video, guys. I do not want the video to be too lengthy. Tell me about it. Did it work for you? Did you make money with this method that I just taught you? Let me know in the comment section. All right, do not forget, if you have problem or encounter any problem with these people, you can easily live chat them by coming up and live chat them. All right, and they will be there to attend to you. Also, draw some of your questions in the comment section and we'll also attend to you. So that will be all for this video, guys. I will see you in the next video. My name is Tochi AK.